Hi, this is Karen McLean. Welcome to Pier 57. Today I would like to show you MTI's newest 44-foot performance catamaran. Powered by twin Mercury 1200s and a BPM shaft drive and rudder system, this boat has been nicknamed the Ferrari boat. Custom features in the cockpit include Ferrari-style leather seating, steering wheel, throttles, air vents, and my favorite, Ferrari-style padded shifters that move the boat forward and reverse. The dash is carbon fiber and leather wrapped. All engine systems are monitored through the Mercury SmartCraft Race View. Passengers are provided GPS video screens and the headrest of the front seats. Each custom feature is fully functional. In the engine room, SuperCat rigging provided extraordinary detail to continue the Ferrari look throughout the boat. The motor cowling, dry sump pump, and transmission cover are some of the custom designed engine room features that make the boat complete. On the outside, the boat is custom red gel with Visual Imagination graphics that are second to none. If you are looking for the ultimate in performance and style, the Ferrari boat is the boat for you.